Happy snow day. We had to wake up and immediately listen to Brandon Lake's new song with Josiah Queen. Can't Steal My Joy. What do you think of it, Betty?
Good.
It's so good. You guys, if you're not a Brandon Lake fan, we love him so much. And so if he releases a song, we're on it. I literally just woke up. That's why I look crazy. But it's a full-blown snow day here. Let me show you. We've got like 7 inches of snow outside. And I'm gonna make some gluten-free pancakes. So this is the one I'm using. I've never used this brand before. It says it just takes water, so we'll see how these go. But they are completely like allergen friendly. So we'll see. Okay, so it says all I need, I actually just got the mix everywhere, but it says all I need is a cup of water in this. So that's easy, but I have no idea. You know, it's hit or miss with gluten-free stuff. Also, I would confidently say that I could probably, you know, justify maybe getting a new whisk.
No, that's alright. Let's do 6.5.
So those pancakes were a complete disaster. Hold on. Luckily for me, gluten-free stuff is just so difficult. I can't even tell you. Sometimes it's great. Sometimes it's really terrible. We're gonna try this. I've had really good luck with this brand. So happen to have these maple muffins on hand. I'm gonna make these now. I'll report back. Got my little helper. Making the maple muffins, aren't we? Are you gonna go out in the snow today?
Yeah.
Are you gonna try to build a snowman?
Yeah. I got 6 so far.
6 of them?
Yep.
Okay, thanks for being a big helper. Well, I've got some mess. Okay, so this is a fun little hack. I don't have any marbles, but I saw online, because these are little Valentine's muffin wrappers for my little gluten-free muffins, and I've tried to push mine in like this, so maybe they'll come out heart-shaped. But if you have a marble, whenever you make your kids like muffins or whatever around Valentine's Day, you can stick a marble in right here, and then they'll hold like a heart shape. So mine are not going to hold that heart shape today, but in case you're needing some fun, easy inspo, if you have marbles, you can put them in there and make them little heart muffins. So if you guys don't follow us on Instagram, we've been on kind of like a health journey for a minute, and John's really feeling it. I've lost like 20 pounds so far, but John has lost like, how many pounds have you lost, babe?
Pretty close to 60.
Almost 60 pounds. He's been exercising a ton. I'm trying to get back into getting in the routine of being at the gym. Sometimes I'm bad at consistency, but 20, 60, we're pushing forward, and he's making like an almond flour banana bread so that he can have like a little treat. And I'm not gonna eat the gluten-free muffins. I'm probably just gonna avoid all of it, but yeah, just so you know, we're gonna probably start doing some more like weight loss content and stuff like that too. If that's something that interests you, make sure you like and subscribe, and maybe we'll do a whole video on what John's been doing and what I've been doing. Just try to get our weight off. So follow along for that. This is Bo's current obsession, is using strings for things. Don't you guys remember when we did this as kids? But I'm telling you, he really likes this, so give your kids some string and they'll be happy for hours. Yeah, I'll find you one. Look at this. It's already melting though. so much. What are you doing, homework? What is it? Oh my goodness, I just came in here. Paisley's doing homework. But you guys, she's watching Girl Meets World. Do you guys remember watching Boy Meets World? Have you watched Boy Meets World? No. Oh, Mr. Feeney. Is Mr. Feeney in this or did he die?
I think he was in like one episode.
Oh, I'm afraid he might have died. There's Corey. You guys, maybe I'm going to get back into this. Wow. Just going to be a short snow day vlog that I'm doing. I'm actually just trying to practice editing. But every Monday on this channel, there's going to be a new family vlog that goes up. There's going to be a few other categories that are coming up that we're going to be filming too. But you can always count on a family vlog on Mondays. This Monday's vlog, if you don't follow us on other socials, on Instagram is my main platform, and it's at the Ozarkers on Instagram. We love to travel and we do a lot of travel content. Disney World, 30A. So Monday's vlog is going to be a vacation travel vlog. If you love 30A or you've thought about going to 30A, check out, it's gonna be part 1 because it was a lot of videos to edit. Especially for someone who's kind of new to editing long form content, but yeah, I'm just putting this one up kind of spur of the moment, but if you guys like these family vlogs, then like and subscribe. I'm going to have, there's going to be a new one every single Monday, but this Monday, I think our 30A part 1 is going to be up. So stay tuned for that. Also, real life is that the guys, my husband and my son, are playing out in the snow right now, and I am sitting here paying bills. So in my pajamas, which I will likely be in most of the day because it's like 2 o'clock here, I think. But yeah, I'm paying bills. Paisley was doing homework. I guess we should do like an introduction video, but I have a 13-year-old, an 8-year-old, and my husband who often acts like he's 5. The other thing that you probably don't know about me is that, I'll stay here so I can show you, I am passionate about Christmas tree decorating. And if you follow on our other socials, I love to do like over the top Christmas trees. Well, my daughter loves to have a little Valentine's party every year with her friends here. So I did a Valentine's Day tree in here. I'm trying to finish up Valentine's Day decorating. Also, there you go. There's some of it. But I'm going to insert a picture next of my Christmas tree from this year. Kids are ending this snow day. Not the adults. We're not eating pizza, but the kids are having a little Domino's snow day action. We're going to end this very quick snow day vlog. If you've been watching, Bo, what are you having on your pizza?
Bacon.
Bacon, and he does a gluten-free crust. If you need gluten-free, Domino's has really good crust. We're going to end this snow day vlog right here. So if you enjoy these vlogs, like, subscribe, do all the things. We love you for watching. We'll see you next time.
My idea. Don't sit down.